Lethiwe ingane yami, my only daughter, esijabule kakhulu namhlanje ukuthi siyamkhulisa. Sesithi kuye ukhulile manje, is a young woman. So ngijabule kakhulu nje kakhulu ukuthi ukhule kahle, wafunda, waqeda esikoleni, waziphatha kahle. So manje sesithi kuye ke sekumele azibone, azithathela ama decision, sizwe ngaye. Thina into soyenza ukuthi simsupport, simsize ukuthi whatever I decide ayo manje iyenzakala ngalendlela afisa ngayo.
I'm very proud of her. Aqhubeka aziphathe kahle ngendlela asiphathe ngayo ukuthi simenzele umcimbi wokumbona. Noma singasekho phambi kwakhe sesemhlabeni yedwa azi ukuthi abazali bakhona bangifundise.
My name is Nhlangothi. Lethiwe is my cousin.
And my name is Umemulo, and Lethiwe is my older cousin.
So we're basically here to support her. I'm here as her Botiza or Belesi, and yeah, just hoping that everything goes well in Franje. And
I hope this day goes well for Lethiwe. I hope she's not anxious, and I hope she has nothing to worry about throughout the day. And I'd also like to thank her and her parents for making this.
I just want to thank my parents, my mom and dad, for doing this event for me, Umemulo. I'm really grateful to them.
Sibonga kakhulu kuwo wonke umuntu obefikile namhlanje nabangafikanga esithole imiyalezo ukubona emihle, siyabonga kakhulu.